Hello everyone, my name is Kumudini and you are watching my English channel Learner to Learner, where I upload English content videos that is very helpful to everyone who want to learn English fluently. So today I will share 5 magic techniques which one help to speak English fluently and fastly. Yeah, I know already my friends who are interested to learn this language, they have been practicing English speaking, which one helpful, which one I already know my English friends, English learner friends who have been watching my videos. They already use my techniques that was I already upload in my channel, and they also follow me. And if you get some information or get benefit from today's video, so you can like and comment me how is this video, and please practice with me also. So let's start today's 5 important and magic techniques that is helpful to you and me also to improve our English fast and confidently. So let's begin. I want to say that is mirror practice. Yes, first one is mirror practice, because whenever we speak anything in front of the mirror, take anything, yes, in any topic. Now we can share our daily routine, we can share any story or anything for only 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Yes, we practice slowly and gradually, then we will improve. So we practice only 2 to 3 minutes on daily basis, then we will improve day by day. Okay, so talk about your daily plan, your daily routine, and your hobby, anything which one you want to. In this way we can say confidently and improve our body language, improve our confidence. Yes, so that's why this is your magic techniques. So everyone should follow these techniques if we want to improve our English. So, and second most important techniques, that is shadowing practice. Yeah, I have been following shadowing practice. It helped me more to improve my English. That's why I am telling you. Yeah, sometimes it's feel awkward what I am doing, but it's okay. Yes, if we want to achieve something, so we have to do that one also. So second one is shadowing practice. Yes, first you listen any Indian speakers, then after that whenever you are used to, then you can follow any native speakers. Yes, and you can follow the same tone, same intonation and same pronunciation. In this way you can improve your English very fastly. Okay, this is the good technique, this is the friends good technique really, and this method help you to speak English more naturally. Yes, so this is the second important techniques which one I follow still now. Friends, third one is daily live speaking. Yes, now in this way you can start speaking in each and any situation. So if you are in kitchen, so you can use kitchen related things. Yeah, now I am chopping vegetables, now I am pouring something. In this way we can start. Yes, when fourth one is very important, that one also learn 3 to 4 vocabulary daily, at least 2 to 3, at least 2. Yes, if possible you can learn 5 new words daily vocabulary. Okay, in this way you can improve your vocabulary dictionary, which one in our mind, our dictionary we will improve. Then we will say our thoughts clearly, properly. Yes, whenever we have a lack of vocabulary in our mind, that time we are not capable to make a sentence. That's why you try to improve vocabulary. Yes, that is the very important. Not only learn and jot down only, you have to practice these words again and again. Okay, in this way you can inculcate different type of sentences, make a different type of sentences. Whenever you learn any vocabulary, that time you can jot down in anywhere, means you have to take any notebook and you have to jot down, and after that you make a different type of sentence and try to use those words in your speaking. Okay, whenever you are speaking to other person, that time try to use that words, try to inculcate those words in your sentence. Okay, in this way you can improve your vocabulary. Now our fifth and last technique, that is very important. So friends, our last important and magic technique, that is record yourself. Yes friend, you are listening right. Yes, whenever you record anything, that means you whenever you record something, you record only for 30 seconds, 35 seconds, 40 seconds. Yes, at whenever you start, whenever you begin, yes, that time only 30 to 40 seconds you can record your voice and your sentences. After that you can check it. Okay, after that you can check it, and if there is possible and if there is necessary, you try to rectify it. Okay, then you know, yeah, when and where you make mistakes. Yes, in this way you can improve your language, you can improve your speaking. When you watch it again and again, you can observe where you make mistakes, where pronunciation, where is your pronunciation is wrong. In this way you can improve day by day. So you have to follow all these techniques. That is very helpful to everyone who wants to learn this language and want to speak fluently in English. Okay, so before that I also, still I am using all these techniques and different type of techniques. Whenever I saw any video, I try to inculcate those type of techniques. Means now I am also a learner, because I am also in a first stage, so I want to improve myself day by day. Yes, so in this way you can learn this language very properly. Yes, I think everyone understand. And dear friends, my friends, please follow all the techniques, and please comment me which techniques you like most and which type of techniques you want to use in your speaking practice, and which one you already use and you have been using in your English practice, and whenever you learn this language. Okay, so these are the best tricks, you can follow it. Keep signing, keep learning. Bye.